Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by preparing both devices. Make sure the watch has at least half battery and the phone stays close. Open the official Firebolt app and sign in, then grant the required Bluetooth and location permissions so scanning can work. Once done, put the watch into pairing mode via settings right arrow connectivity, right arrow pair on the watch. This makes it discoverable. You do this first because a discoverable device is required for the app to list and connect to it immediately. You now let the app scan and select the Firebolt that appears. Tap the matching model name to start pairing. When you see a verification code, confirm the same number on the watch and in the app. This prevents accidental pairing with nearby devices. If the app prompts for a firmware update, allow it and keep both devices powered and close together. Interruptions can corrupt the update. Make sure other Bluetooth devices are off to avoid interference during this middle step. You finish by following the app setup screens to sync accounts, enable notifications, and configure health permissions so data flows both ways. Once setup completes, test the connection. Send a notification or place a call to verify alerts and check that sensor data syncs in the app. If something fails, the single most effective fix is to restart both the phone and watch, toggle Bluetooth off and on, then remove and repair the device. This resolves most pairing errors quickly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.